fam, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to take you guys with me along as I organize our cabinets and our closet in the hallway. If you guys saw my home tour, it is a disaster in there. Someone actually commented, can you make a video of you organizing the closet? So here it is. I wanted to do it anyway, so I just thought I can take you guys along with me as I clean it. I did grab some containers, I guess, like wicker baskets from IKEA for organization, but I don't think they're going to fit, so we will see and we'll figure that out together. Let's jump into this video. I hope you enjoy it. So here's a quick recap of my IKEA trip. I grabbed 4 of these wicker baskets. You just like assemble them together. And then I grabbed 2 of these black fabric ones. They were only $3.99 for these. Okay, so here's what we have to organize. I got these bins. I don't think they're gonna fit now that I'm looking at them kind of built. A little bit large. But this is one of the areas that needs to get done. So this kind of like is where I just throw everything, like my workout stuff. So I have like my yoga mat and then exercise stuff there, and then my journal and my Bible, which I use every morning, goes in here. So yeah, this will be #1 space. And then here is the closet, and it's just, yeah, a disaster. So the closet was a little bit intense to start, so I just started with the cabinet first because I thought it would just be easier. I pretty much pulled anything out that didn't belong in there and then was able to rearrange the stuff that did belong in there in a way that was organized. As I was pulling stuff out, I was putting in piles, and then I went back through the piles and organized them. This may drive you crazy because I moved on to the next space and I'm not showing you the other one because it wasn't done yet. But that was just the way I was working today, so bear with me. So I had to clear out this huge mountain of my wonderful husband's clothes. This was so intense, you guys. I was actually so overwhelmed by looking at this that I did not think that it was going to be as easy as it actually was, and I wish I would have done this sooner. So anyone who has a junk drawer or a junk closet, this is your sign to clear it out. It's not gonna take you that long. You got this. So after we emptied it, I tried putting the baskets in side by side. They did not fit, unfortunately. I did not measure these shelves before I went to IKEA to get baskets. I honestly like bought those on a whim, not really thinking it through. So I just have to improvise. Okay, so only one can fit on a shelf. So I could do it where it's like one and then I do stuff next to it. Or I could just go find baskets that actually fit better in here. Okay, so my final idea is I'm gonna put the towels here and then underwear and socks in these bins. And then we'll figure out what goes down there. And my friend Jillian came to hang out with me while I clean. So this big pile is everything that I pulled out of the hallway closet. I'm just refolding it and organizing it to go into the bins.
No, it's true. Could do the things you do just like you. Baby, there ain't nobody like you. Do you feel the same? I got high hopes. Do you want the same? Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? Cause I got high hopes. Ooh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ooh,
So after folding all of hubby's clothes, I realized the closet's probably just going to be used for his stuff. And then I realized I have this basket, which I'm not utilizing the space super well. I just kind of have a bunch of random decor thrown in there. So I'm just gonna clear this decor out, throw away the trash, and reorganize this into another space. That way I can use this basket for the towels and linens. Wondering about baby Jazz. This is me when I was, I don't even know, maybe 1 or 2.
Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me back? Or is it just a game? Cause I got high hopes.
No, it doesn't. So this is the cabinet in our bedroom under the mirror where I get ready. So it has all of my makeup and my hair stuff and like any like lotions or things that we use to get ready. So I'm just consolidating and getting rid of things that I don't need, putting things in smaller containers, stuff like that. And then I'm removing anything that I have extra of, like toothpaste and deodorant, and I'm putting them aside to put in the bathroom. All the trash we've collected from here. So this stuff I'm not touching yet. I'm gonna clear out my storage first and get it organized, and then I will organize like my supplies in there. Let me know if you guys want to see that in a video. Leaving these vases and candlesticks and stuff up here until I can fix my storage. Okay, so this is all the stuff I need to put into storage. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little organization video. Let me know if you want to see more content like this. I still have to do our kitchen cabinets a little bit better. I want to go back and get newer labels and like relabel everything, and then get some extra jar containers and stuff for our kitchen. So let me know if you want to see the like pantry organization, and we can do that here as well. Thank you so much for watching. As always, keep spreading the love and light, and I will catch you on the next one. Jasmine and Catherine some more